Hello guys, welcome back to Christy Can Cook. Mimi, can you tell them what we're making today?
Shrimp and avocado salad.
My Mimi just changed it up just a little bit.
We're going to start by draining our tiny can of shrimp, and then we're going to finely chop about a quarter of this onion, and then we're going to chop up those 2 little mini peppers.
Avocados from Mexico.
Once we get all that chopped, we are going to chop up probably a tablespoon of cilantro and chop it really fine. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a pinch of pepper, and of course my favorite, granulated garlic. The time that you start praying that your avocado is nice and green and not brown inside, because you only have one. So we're going to cut this open and see how we do. I'm going to cube up this avocado. I'm going to add it last because I don't want it to get mushy and smashed up whenever we're mixing it all together. Yeah.
This video is sponsored by Uncle Chance.
I honestly wasn't too sure how this was going to turn out, but it really turned out good. I am really surprised. I'm going to end up adding 2 tablespoons of this Hellmann's mayonnaise and about a tablespoon of the balsamic vinegar, and I'm going to add my avocado in last to mix that all together. avocado, and I'm going to mix it gently. I do not want to mash it. And any southerner knows that we mash everything. We mash buttons, we mash potatoes, avocados for guacamole, but this we do not want to mash. I want to keep it in the cubes. And I use the husk of the avocado as the serving plate.
Hey, those look good, me and Mayo.
Isn't that pretty? That's good.
Do you love it?
Yeah, it's good.
It is.
Surprisingly good. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. Hit that follow button if you haven't already so you don't miss a recipe. I upload videos once a week. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.